Hey everyone, you know what? You can earn good amount of money from home tuitions, from your own comfort at your own home. I started my teaching career around 6 years back, and it took me around 3 years to reach to a level where I would earn around 15,000 to 20,000 by just teaching children. I teach children till 10th class. These days I am not teaching because I take online English classes and this YouTube work keeps me busy. So in today's video, from my own experience, I am going to share some tips on how you can establish yourself as a home tutor, how you can get more students, how you can become a good home tutor. So be with me. My name is Trilekha. I make videos on parenting, English lessons, work from home ideas and lot more, and you're watching my channel Lot to Learn. But before I begin, I need to tell you something. If you are a parent or if you know someone who is in 9th and 10th, especially in Maharashtra board, Unacademy is offering a very reasonable package for 9th and 10th students. You can get that package in 2,500 for all 6 subjects. And you can get additional 10% discount if you use my code, which is given in the description below. Also, you will have live lectures here from top educators. Also, you will have access to past year papers. You can ask your doubt in one-to-one session, and you can watch their YouTube channel for having an idea the kind of lectures they give. If you calculate, you are paying just rupees 375 per subject per month, which is quite reasonable. So you can take package for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. Once you decide up to which subject and which class you're going to teach, next biggest challenge is from where to get students. So you will get students from your own friend circle, from your own neighbor, your own locality. How? The best way to do this is to tell them clearly that if anyone needs tuition, you're available. Another way is you can use your social media, use your Facebook, WhatsApp DP, WhatsApp status, and put a message something like this: tuitions available from 1st to 10th, and then you can add your experience, your subject expertise. You can also create your business profile on Google. Now say you wanted to teach senior classes, but you're getting your first student from 2nd or 3rd class. So what you're going to do? Initially, when you're beginning, you should not think about class. Take whatever you are getting and give your 100%, give your best. If you teach that one student honestly, that one student is going to bring you many more students. Now let me tell you some tips on how to become a good tutor, which eventually going to bring you more students and more money. Children from 1st, 2nd and 3rd class need special attention. You cannot combine those students with senior students. But what if you get one student from 2nd class, other student from 10th class, and then the other student from 6th class? How are you going to manage? How are you going to teach them? Let me tell you from my own experience. Call that 2nd class student half an hour before, and you can complete the explanation part in that half an hour. Once your senior student comes, you can have him, the junior student, you can have him write something or do maths. So that's how you're going to manage. Try to understand parents' expectation and deliver work as per them. Some parents may want you to get the homework, school homework done from their child, whereas some parents may want to help in improving handwriting or reading habits. Ask them clearly and teach their child according to that, so that in future they don't complain and there will be no dispute. This one is extremely important and most of the home tutors lacks here. Be professional. Even if you're working from home, maintain professionalism. Do not take off just because you have to go to some birthday party or a movie. If you want to go somewhere, inform them beforehand. It doesn't look good when your students come to your home and when they knock the door and no one opens the door. It leaves very bad impression on them and on them too who are watching them going back like this. See, being helpful and giving something extra is always good, but then there should be a thin line between being professional and between getting personal. So don't get personal, especially with the elder students of 8th, 9th and 10th students. Whatever they are doing outside your class is not your responsibility. It's parents' responsibility. That should not be your concern. So you should just be limited to teach them in that 1 hour and give your best. Be well prepared about the topic you're going to teach. Initially, you will have to do a lot of preparation, but once you become experienced, you will become expert in all these things. I have a lot to share on this topic, but time is less, so it is time to say goodbye. Also, if you want to know more on this topic, do let me know in the comment, and if you are new, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching me.